Alright everybody, so welcome back and let's continue with this. And one of the most important things, better auth section is done right now. From tomorrow onwards we will actually be building the project using better auth. Kind of we will be rebuilding the project. Apart from this, but we will be thinking of building something. Thinking of building something in the sense what we can try to build. Let's see. We'll think of it tomorrow itself. Otherwise, we will be building the same project. I mean, we are not losing even in building with that, building that too. But as for right now, I will just simply focus on next auth right now, and mainly when it comes to next auth. So far I have just got the basic setup ready, and right now onwards, I will just simply be focusing on the setup of like starting the business logic of next auth. But so far, let's have a look exactly how many things we have covered. Having said that, we have apps inside this, and then we have components inside the components. I am using shared CN, so I have installed all the components from the shared CN. Then inside my database, I have database related code. Then inside Drizzle, this automatically got created because of course I'm using Drizzle here. Hooks, again this is the hook that automatically got created. Inside live, I have utils.ts, this automatically got created mainly because I'm using shared CN and all. So if you have, you must know that these things get automatically created. And after that, nothing else. We have validation related stuff over here, and we are actually validating many things. First of all, we are validating the email. So email related code is this. We are validating the confirm password, that is the confirm password related code is here. Similarly, password schema, and similarly password schema actually has both, right? Password schema, that's gonna be this one. Confirm password schema, that's gonna be this one. So ultimately I have these things. So email schema, that's gonna be this. Just a sec. I have this password schema.ts, and inside this I have is email schema, I have password schema, I have this confirm password schema. And apart from these things, I have them separately as well. By the way, I'm mainly getting it from password schema, and password schema, confirm password schema, and email of course. That simply means email schema is not playing any role over here. Similarly, this confirm password schema is not playing any role over here as well. So I can simply get rid of this, or let's simply have this. But ultimately these two things are not really being used over here, so I will be just checking this thing out too. But overall things are quite good. Okay, just there are some extra things, but no need to worry about them. Okay, apart from this particular thing, I'm using Drizzle as my database ORM. So first of all, using Drizzle, if you are using Drizzle, so you know how it's actually used. So Neon database serverless, I'm getting it, and then I'm actually using it on HTTP server. So that is why I'm just simply getting this particular ORM. Once I got that ORM, so first of all I will be creating a SQL object, and once that is created, I will just simply be passing inside the Drizzle, and that's it. I got my DB connection. Having said that, if you are confused exactly how do you know all these things, so simple, easy peasy. Let's go to Drizzle, and if you click on this, you wait for a while, let it load, and then everything is already inside the documentation. So let's simply click on this, and I can continue with TypeScript of course, but even before that I need to go through the documentation. And once I'm here, I can actually go to what I can click on get started, and then right now I'm mainly using Neon, so I will be going with that. And once I'm going with that, so first of all they're simply saying that you have to install let me make it bigger, let me move it rightwards, a little smaller should be fine. And then they are just simply saying that you have to install Drizzle ORM, Neon database serverless, and .env, and Drizzle kit you have to install. Okay, once you have installed them, then there are two ways. Like you can directly use this particular method, otherwise you can go with this one. Again, I'm going to go with this one because okay, let's do one thing. Mainly when it comes to Drizzle, we are getting started, right? So first of all, they are asking us to install all the dependencies. Once the dependencies are installed, set up the connection variables. You can set up the connection variables. That means you need your Neon database URL over here. That's it. Connect Drizzle ORM to the database. Create a index.file, and then either do this, or if you need a synchronous connection, you can use or additional connection API, where you can specify a driver connection and pass it the Drizzle instance. This is how it can be created. This is how it can be created. Both the ways are gonna be there. It's completely up to you which way you choose. Then you can actually create a table, and for creating the table, like from here I actually got the DB instance. I'm even exporting the DB instance from here. After that, they are just simply saying that you can actually create the, just a sec, let me bring it here, let me make it bigger. they're simply saying that you are even create the schema. So over here I have created this schema. Inside this schema I haven't done much, like pretty simple thing. I have my ID, the same thing they are doing. I have my ID, I have email, I have password created at two-factor authentication. That is something that I will be working on. Again, this will be the name of the field inside the table. This will be the name of the field on my code. Two-factor activated, these things are gonna be there. Pretty much easy peasy, at least so far. And apart from this particular thing, I'm even exporting the users from here. So I created two things. I got my DB and I got my DB from here. I got my schema from here. Once I have both of them, and I'm even getting the schema from user schema, I'm exporting from here. So like literally nothing I'm doing here. It's pretty simple, right? Inside my result.ts, I'm exporting the DB, and from the schema I'm actually exporting the schema, and that's it. The schema is being exported from here, and that's the same thing they're saying that you can specify your schema over here inside result.config.ts, and that is exactly we have created over here, result.config.ts. So I'm just simply saying that db.schema.ts, my schema is in this particular file, and you have to output the result, that migrations in this result folder. This will automatically be created, and that's it. And again, I'm just copying and pasting everything from the database, so you don't need to worry about anything. Apart from this particular thing, by running npx result kit push, the code will actually be pushed to the database, neon database. And if you run npx result kit generate, it will generate the client. That is the first thing. And npx result kit migrate will simply migrate the data. When it comes to generating the client, so let me even show that. Over here you just simply get this, and just a sec. Alternatively, you can generate migrations using result kit generate command, and then apply them using result kit migrate command. So using generate, you can generate generate the migrations, and using migrate, you can just simply migrate them to the DB and all. That's it. Apart from this particular thing, we don't really get a DB like client like in Prisma, because in Prisma the client gets automatically generated, and over here we don't need to generate that. We already get this. Let me even show you that we already get this DB from here. We can use this DB, and that's it. We are good to go. Like in Prisma, we used to get the client, and then we were using that particular client. It's nothing as such in Drizzle. As simple as that. Seed query, you can just simply seed the data and all, and that's it. This is how you can just simply go on with the stuff. Alrighty, by the way, so far this much is done. Then inside components, I have these many components. Inside app, I have my register, and I have my actions as well. I have page.tsx as well. Let me show you exactly what I'm doing inside actions. So it's pretty simple. First of all, I'm getting email, password, and confirm password. Again, I'm getting all these things from the page side. Once I've got them, then I'm simply checking whether the user exists or not. So as I said, first of all, even I'm checking the schema. So object email, and then this, it is just simply saying that there is going to be email, and that should be type of email schema. Over here, what I'm doing, I'm actually creating the user schema. So the kind of data I'm getting. So there's gonna be email type of this, and there's gonna be password, and the password match schema will be added. Password match schema in the sense, this is the password match schema I have. Inside that, I already have my password and confirm password. On top of that, I'm using super refine, and that's why when I'm just simply adding it, all those things get added here automatically. After that, I can even just verify whether the kind of data that we got, the user data that we got, that is right or not. Once if that is right, that means a new user validation.success. If that is success, then I will be going ahead. Otherwise, I'm simply gonna be returning an error from here. It's pretty simple. I'm simply returning error true, message, new user validation, error, issues, and message and all. It's completely up to you. I'm following the way that is structure is following, though you can even mention success over here, success false or error true, depends on you what you wanna go with. And then I'm simply hashing the password, await hash. Again, this hash is coming from Bcrypt. So if you just go here at the top, this is actually coming from Bcrypt.js. So once I got this hash method, I'm just simply calling it over here, hashing the password. Once the password got hashed, so I'm getting the hash password, and I'm simply inserting it to the database. If you are using Drizzle, it will be, the queries are gonna be kind of SQL like, exactly SQL like. So first of all, DB insert, you are inserting in the users, values are gonna be email, password, and that is it. Again, the tables got created automatically. So as soon as you migrated to the database, you ran migration, so the tables got automatically created, so you don't need to worry about them. And if there's any error, then you can just simply return the things and all, and this is how you can just simply go ahead. So far so good. I mean, there's really nothing hard in it, and inside page.tsx there's nothing, simply you are getting the email, password and confirm password. Again you are using React hook form, so that simply gives you the inputs from the form, and once you got the inputs you are just simply inside on submit function. This gets automatically called, this gets also automatically called whenever you submit it. So I'm just simply even using this thing over here. If you have a look at this, just right here, let me show you that. Okay, so whenever the form is registered, so on submit, whenever the submit happens, so ultimately this particular method runs. That simply means this particular function gets triggered, on submit function gets triggered, and inside that I'm using that particular action, register user action. I'm providing email, password and confirm password. Once that is done, I will be getting a response. If response.error, I will just simply be setting an error inside the email thing. So form.set error. Again, I'm specifying email over here so that the error gets attached to email, and message is gonna be response.message, whatever message I will be getting. Otherwise I will simply be logging it, and that's it, nothing else. One thing is this, setting the error is fine. I'm setting the email inside the I'm setting the error to the email. Why am I setting the error to the email? First of all, that particular email error will be visible here. So if you go to this particular controller, this is the email controller, this is the password controller, and this is the confirm password controller. Password and confirm password, they can of course be anything. The only thing is that you will be getting the error because of email, if email already exists, and that is why you are just simply adding this error to the email. So this is how you can set the error to that particular email field, completely up to you. But yeah, this is also one of the ways. And that's it, almost everything's got done. If you know about the React hook form, so you must have understood this thing. And right now we can just simply continue from here on. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing the music in the background, and we'll simply go ahead, and that is it. Let's see, continue.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. and I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.